Which river is the Vegi Dam built across? The Vegi Dam is constructed across the Vegi River in the Theni district of Tamil Nadu to provide water for irrigation and drinking. It is a vital lifeline for the Madurai and Ramanathapuram districts in the semi-arid southern region. Into which body of water does the Godavari River drain? The Godavari is the longest river in peninsular India and flows eastward across the Deccan Plateau. It eventually empties into the Bay of Bengal through a large delta in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Which type of soil is not listed as being formed by rivers? Red soils are sedentary soils formed by the weathering of crystalline igneous and metamorphic rocks in areas of low rainfall rather than by river deposition. They are predominantly found in the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau and are characterized by a high iron content. Black soils are primarily formed from volcanic basalt, but they are frequently found in river valleys like the Narmada and Tapti. Alluvial soils are the most prominent example of river-formed soils created by the continuous deposition of silt and sediment along floodplains. Desert soils are mainly formed by wind action and mechanical weathering in arid regions, though some are categorized as riverine deposits in specific basins. What is the primary origin of most peninsular rivers? The Western Ghats act as a major water divide in peninsular India, serving as the source for major rivers like the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. These rivers flow eastward towards the Bay of Bengal due to the eastward tilt of the Deccan Plateau. Which river joins the Kaveri on its right bank approximately 45 kilometers from the Mettur Reservoir? The Bhavani River is a major right bank tributary of the Kaveri that joins it near Bhavani town, approximately 45 kilometers downstream from the Mettur Dam. It originates in the Silent Valley National Park and is fed by the Siruvani and Kunda rivers. The Amravati River joins the Kaveri much further downstream near Karur. The Noyal River is another right bank tributary, but its confluence with the Kaveri is located further south of the Bhavani confluence. Nandi Durga is the source region for rivers like the Pennar and Palar, not a tributary joining the Kaveri near Mettur. Which landform is carved by a river in its upper course? In the upper course, rivers have high energy and steep gradients, leading to intense vertical erosion that carves deep, narrow V-shaped valleys. This stage is characterized by rapid flow and the transport of large boulders. What are the streams called that a river breaks into as it approaches the sea? Distributaries are the multiple channels that a river splits into as it nears the sea, caused by the deposition of sediment and a decrease in water velocity. This process is a hallmark of delta formation, such as the Sundarbans Delta. Which river is listed with a length of 6,350 kilometers? The Yangtze River is the longest river in Asia and the third longest in the world, measuring approximately 6,300 to 6,380 kilometers. It flows entirely within China and is a major source of hydroelectric power and transport. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.